Hi, John Percivari here, talking to you today about network diagrams. Okay, so this picture here we went through last lesson. This is actually a network diagram. So it shows the devices on a network, and it shows how they connect using these lines here. All right, so this computer here connects, has a cable that goes across, up and around to the switch, which then goes up and around to the router, to the ISP, and then out to the magical cloud, which is of course the internet. Okay, so your task for today is to create your own network diagram about how the network at your home works. Okay, particularly with how your console, Xbox, PlayStation, Switch, whatever it might be, how that connects to the internet using the hardware you have at your house. Okay, so we're going to use a tool called Draw.io. All right. If for whatever reason you struggle, you can't get it working, don't stress. You can do this on paper too, like literally this is a drawing. Okay, so you can always just do this pen and paper. But let me show you how Draw.io works. Okay. So literally you click on the link to go to Draw.io, or you can type it in, Draw.io. It changes to app.diagrams.net. You have to create an account. When you do, just use the Google option. Okay. Click sign in using Google or something like that, and then choose your MacKillop one. Like it'll come up with your MacKillop email. You just click it, and it should let you in. You shouldn't have to put in a password or anything if you've already logged in. It's going to ask you where you want to save it. You click Google Drive. You can put it somewhere else. Put it OneDrive if you want. But I've chosen Google Drive. Why it looks like this. So create new diagram. I'm going to call it home. Network diagram. Root folder. Yes. It's just loading up. Takes a little while. Now, you've got all your shapes and things on the side here. But before we get started, we want to use some network options so that we can put in routers and computers and all that kind of stuff. Now, it's not here at this stage, so you can click on more shapes. You could use iOS, but we're not going to do that. We're going to keep going. There's networking, and there's a whole lot of stuff here. Yeah, you can choose particular brands and use their ones, or you can just go network, and it's got a lot of good options in here. I like this one. Now you've got network as an option on the side, so you can click on network, scroll down and get your options here. So we'll go through, put all our devices in. So here's a laptop. Once you click it, you can actually start typing. You can give it a name, okay, and then you can get a device. It doesn't have to be the exact one, because you can always type beneath it what it is. These are just pictures, right? So I could have clicked on the hub one or a switch one, and I'll just call it my router switch. I could even call it my router switch. Router switch modem. It's one device, all sort of built into one box that I'll connect everything to. Then I connect my laptop to it. I might use a dotted line just to sort of show that it's wireless, okay, just to sort of differentiate. And again, if I click the line, I can type Wi-Fi, okay, for my laptop. It's a desktop. I have a gaming PC, which has not a wireless one. I've got a cable, an Ethernet cable there. You don't have to call it the exact name if you're not sure, but I am sure, so I'll put that in. Cool, and then you just go through for each of your devices. For me, the modem connects through to an ISP. I'll put in that business center one and I'll call that my ISP. I use IINet. Yeah, I'm in Geelong, and there's like an old cable company that used to go through all of here called, I think it used to be called Network Cable or something like that, or Neighborhood Cable, and IINet bought them. So IINet actually owns all the infrastructure. If you're using someone like Dodo or TPG, they usually pay Telstra or Optus because they usually own a lot of the stuff. Okay. So from my modem, there's a cable that goes out to the street, and then it goes to the ISP. It's cable. Okay, it's not ADSL. And then from my ISP, it goes out to the internet. I've got like a nice cloud here or something. Cloud, there we go. I'll call that internet. I don't like calling it cloud, just to differentiate internet and cloud. And then ISP out into the internet. I would hope they're using fiber cables. I'm pretty sure they are. Fiber, like the speed of light. It's like a cable with lights bouncing around in it. So it goes at the speed of light. It's very fast. That's what we want. And then I would just keep going and keep adding devices and things until I've finished. Okay, once I've finished, I then get the snipping tool. Take a new snip. Grab my diagram. I would obviously put in my Xbox and my phone and everything else. I use a lot of Chromecasts, so put those in. And then I just go to the OneNote, and then you'll put yours here. But I'll just put mine at the bottom. There's some written instructions here. There's one sample. Now you've got two samples. You're very lucky. Well, this one's not finished, but there you go. So that's it for today. Okay, I want you to make a network diagram. All right. Thanks for watching. Any questions? Let me know. Thanks.